That is covered, right?
We
Yeah,
covered
yeah.
this one. Low
Yeah.
flow and the level, yeah? Okay?
Correct, correct.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Now
So
we will go
guys,
to
we'll go for now first stage separator.
first size separator.
Let me.
Okay, well, show
Just-
your list.
Yeah. So let me share my screen. What I will do, I will go in the filter mode, and I will filter the equipment. First stage separator, right?
Yeah.
First stage separator. Okay. So let us start with the first one.
Level.
That is LAH 30901.
Okay.
So I will highlight it here.
03.
So now, Emmanuel, you can share your screen.
And let's show the pin idea.
Yeah. This is LAH 309.
LAH
30901.
0901, yeah? H only, right?
HH.
So,
This top one.
what is this? This is LIP. It should be, oh, what is this?
It should be in the separator, no?
Yeah, but it will be in the, actually the LAH should be
So you can go in separate left side.
0901, right? Actually, this
Yeah,
should be H here.
correct. But we don't have alarm
So
here.
this is like the produced water.
But no alarm.
Yeah, but it should be there. It should be there. Because this is being updated actually, Chairman. Yeah? So there will be H here.
Okay.
If